worked out some?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
I've been having a lot of trouble swinging that direction for some reason.
You're not doing it enough. I mean, it's just because this chair's a pain. You shouldn't use it, it's no good.
Saw that on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
C500, not any good.
Right.
Don't buy it, people. Just don't buy it.
Yes, it's awful. It really is.
Can't transfer from the front. It kills things like walls and refrigerators and antiques. Just don't buy it. It's bad. I wouldn't buy anything above it either. It's probably even worse. The other day, Dad said, "We shouldn't be driving it." I said, "Dad, no one in a wheelchair should be driving that thing." That was my comment.
Quite true.
I said, "That's not built for someone in a wheelchair. That's built for tank use."
We should put a cannon on the front of it.
Amazing thing was he shut up because he knew it was right. It's built for tank use, not wheelchair use. I can't quite get this hand right either. I don't know why.
Can you get it left? Is Reddy stuck?
No, Reddy's just being lazy.
Lazy Reddy. Man.
I get stuff stuck, but
I was gonna say, I think you're working into being stuck. The toe of your shoe is now under the lift. Shall I under it?
no, you can get out. I'm there.
Okie dokie.
Yes, there we go. There we go.
Beautiful.
Okay, it's on the front. The people that's on the front have been what you would see me get last week. I sat there for like 20 minutes, like just sitting there. That took what, 5 minutes?
Probably about 5 minutes. I don't know, I didn't look at the clock. You didn't say, hey, time me.
But see, the change of subject,
Yes.
it really does work.
What did we talk about?
Dad's saying this wasn't built for,
Oh, yeah.
we're in my use, and I said, it's built for no wheelchair handlers use.
Yes.